Hello guys, welcome back to my secret series. I'm Oluwafemi. I'll be taking us through the question 5 of the second module, that's SQL, question 5, module 2. And the very first thing I'll do is for us to read this question very critically for us to understand what is required of us. What are the top 3 selling products? Include product name. In each product, include category name by revenue. Okay, these are tips. You can use rank num, and that's rank number. All right. Now, if you check this very well, they told us to do something. They said we should find the top 3 selling products, including product name. That means we are asked to find the product name, the product category by revenue. That's what we are asked to find. So if you have understand this, you should know that this is what you're going to have in your select statement. I will not be doing much in this last video because I've actually told us how we can actually figure out or navigate our ways to our tables to get similarities when joining and to also know things we are selecting. So I'll be very fast with this. So I'll also still use CTE here, that's comma table expression. If you see the word with, just know it's a CTE. Then product revenue, that's my CTE name. I'll say product revenue. Yeah, product revenue as what, as then you open a bracket. You should be getting used to this. Anytime you're using your city, you write the city name, then you must declare it as. Then after that, your select statement comes. You write your select. What are you selecting? Now let me go down. We are selecting our, it says product, it says selling product, including product name in each category. So let me select our product category ID. Let me select our product category ID. Let me see if I can see it here. Product category ID. Yeah, this is what we're selecting first. Let me just put it here. And the table we can find this. Let me just be very fast with this. That's PC. Let me put PC. PC dots. That's where I can actually find this. Then I'll put comma. Then I'll go down again. What else am I selecting? I'm also selecting the category name. That's name, the one I showed us before, where you have your category name but it is displayed as name. Let me take us there again. Yeah, like this one, display as name. So we still need this. So we know the name of the column is name. That's name, but we will give it an alias as category name. Let's give it category name. Category name. Category name. Category name. We're giving that an alias. Then we'll put a comma. Which table am I finding this? Is this PC? PC dots. All right. Then I'll go down again. What else do I want to pick? That's my product ID. And where can I find my product ID? Is in the product table. Then I put my P dots product what's this product ID. Yeah, product ID, then we'll put comma. Then what else are they saying? They said we should find the what, including category by what, by revenue. And how do you get your revenue? Your revenue is a multiplication of your what, your order quantity and your unit price. That will come down. We'll use an aggregate function here called sum. Then you open a bracket. Then we can say SOD, or don't let me use SOD, because the reason I'm saying let me use SOD is because I know the table where I can get that from, and that saves other details. But since we'll be using this table, please let's just continue. So I'll just use SOD dot order quantity, order QTY, order QTY, then times SOD. I'm sure we know why I'm using the SOD dot unit price. Unit price. Then I'll close it. Then this is good. Then I'll give it an alias as total revenue. Total revenue. All right, I've done that. Then the next thing we're going to do is to start joining our table. I've told us how to join our tables. You look for the similarity between the two tables and you're going to join it under their similarities. So I'll just be very fast about this. So I've written my select statement. Now from where? Then that's where my from will come from. Now let me write the table from sales LT dot sales other details. That's the table. Sales LT. Let me just pick it from here. Hey, what's that? Okay, I want to remove this. Okay, I'll give it an alias, which is what, SOD. Yeah, it's an SOD. Then let me now join the product table with it. So come down and join. Where's the product table? Let me go look for the product table. Yeah, I'll join with the product table, which I'll give this an alias P. I'll give this an alias P. On what am I joining this? I'm joining it on SOD project ID. SOD dot product ID equals to P dot product product ID. Now I've successfully joined the product table, which is this. Now the one I will join now is the product category table. So let's do that very quickly. Join product category. Let me go and pick the table. Product category, here. So let me just remove this. Let me remove this. Okay, which I've given it to be PC. PC on what? On SOD product category on this particular one. That's P dot. That's P dot product ID, product category ID, equals to PC. pc dot product category id. Yeah, that's that. Then I will group by all this. I'll group by all this. Let me copy it just do it, not to waste my time. I'll group by let me paste it, Control V. Yeah, product category ID, change name, let me see, name, okay. Let me remove that. PC product category, PC dot product category ID, PC dot name. Okay, PC dot name. Then P. Let me put a comma here. Then here P dot name. That's how I'll be grouping it with. I'll be grouping by this. Yeah, then I can close the with statement. Let me close and then I'll put a semicolon. Alright, I have written that already. Now let me now use the rank products. I want to create the ranking using partition by. If you are using partition by is a window function that will never reduce your rows. You know, partition by is also, it appears to be like group by statement, but you know, group by will always aggregate your value, and it will reduce the number of rows you have. But when it comes to partition by will not reduce your number of rows. Okay, let me demonstrate what I mean. Now what we're looking for is the ranking, right? So I can declare a name that's ranked product. That's the name. As, let me open a parenthesis, then I will now put my select statement. Now let me come down and put my select statement. I can select all, then let me put comma, then let me use my rank. Then I'll use my rank, open bracket and close it. Then I will use over. When you want to use the word partition, you must use over. I'll use over, then I'll open another bracket, then I'll put my partition par, PAR, partition by. What am I partitioning by? I'll partition by the product category ID, by product category ID. Yeah, product category ID. That is what I want to partition by. Then I'll order by revenue, because they said by revenue. I'll order by revenue. So order by revenue. I've I've completed that. How do you want to order this particular thing? Is it in descending order or ascending order? It's in descending order. DSC. Then you can close. Then you declare it as something that's as rank norm. This rank norm here, you declare it as that. As, let me just copy it as rank norm. Copy, then I paste as rank norm. Let me change this to capital letter. Okay, so I've done that. From where do you want to do all these select statements you wrote? From product revenue. That's from this information here. This information here is product revenue. From product, copy, from product revenue. Now we have done that. So the very last part of this whole question is still our select statement. You opened a bracket there, so it's advised we'll close it. So we've closed that. Then we'll now do our final select statement, where they said we should select we'll select the product, the top 3 selling products, including product name. That was going to select the product details. That's the ID, the product name, the category, and by revenue. That's what we're going to do right now. So just watch me as I do this. So you start with your select statement. Select. What are you selecting? You are selecting your product ID. Product ID. You put comma. You're selecting your product name. Product name. Selecting your product name. At the same time, you are selecting your category name. Category name. Coming. Category name. Put your comma again. Then you come down and you're going to put your rank norm. That means you're also creating a column for your ranking. That's rank norm. Rank norm. Rank norm. So from where do you want to select all these things? From ranked products. From ranked product. From ranked products. Where your where statement is to filter. Since you are looking for the rank norm 3, so where statement, you write your where rank norm is less than or equals to 3. Less than or equals to 3. Where rank norm is less than, where rank norm is less than or equals to 3. Then you can order by category name. Order by category name. Category name and rank norm. And then rank norm. Let me see my code to see if I'm done the right thing. ranked products. That's what I used there. Ranked products. Okay, let me run it. If there's an error, so I'll be able to debug this. Okay, it said incorrect syntax near where. Is it here? Ranked product as, is it here? Okay, this is not supposed to be semicolon now. This is supposed to be a comma, but I gave it comma and this is still flashing this red. Why that? Is it because of my indents? Is it indentation or what? So it's flagging this. Let me see. I open this. And yes. Yes. Okay. I don't know whether it's to run. I just need to debug this. Invalid column name revenue. Okay, let me go and check. Where did I have revenue? Okay, I'm still checking this. I have create view customer segments. Oh, sorry. With customer this, select this total revenue. Select this. Okay, product revenue, product ID. Product revenue. Okay, pro. It's pro. Product revenue. Okay. Category name, rank products. Okay. Let me run this again and see where the error is coming from again. Okay. Invalid object name, product revenue. As pro, oh shit. Product revenue, product category. Let me just run it. I made a lot of error in this code. Invalid column name revenue. Where is that? Where's revenue? Sorry, please, we just need to debug this together. Where is revenue? Product revenue. This total revenue. Okay. Okay. Let me bring this downward. Just product ID. Okay, ranked products. from product revenue. Ranked products. I've not gotten where this error is coming from. Let me run again. This line, every column name, revenue. Do I have revenue here? Oh, let me change this to underscored. Products revenue. Where is this invalid column name? Where is the revenue? This as total revenue. Okay, when I was looking at this whole code, I discovered that there's something missing. I did not put the name. That's the product name. The product name from the product table. I did not put it. The product name from the product table. I did not put it. That's p dot dot name dot name as, let me name it as product name. Product name as product name. Okay, so yeah, I'll have p dot name. Yeah, has a p dot name. P dot name here. Okay, let me still go down and see. All right, let me run this and see whether it will run. Okay, it said incorrect syntax near some. Incorrect syntax near some. Okay, sorry, comma. Let's run again. Where is it again? Near p. Which of the p? Comma here. There's a comma here. Sorry, I'm just trying to debug this code. P. Oh. Okay. Here is comma. Why am I getting so much error here? Should I put a single line? That shouldn't be a problem. Not sure that should be a problem. It's not a problem. She trying to debug. Okay, I think I've known where this order by revenue. We don't have revenue here. It should be total revenue. Let me see. Total revenue. Because it's saying no column name revenue. Just getting a lot of error from this code. I don't know. That's something while we're writing codes, we just need to be very careful. Okay, I think that's just the problem. That's the problem. The column name, I put revenue here instead of total revenue. So I think that's all the demonstration for the question 5. Now I'm sorry for taking your time. Debugging is allowed when you're writing some codes. You look at your codes and you try to figure out where the problem is, and that's what I just done. So please pardon me, and please let's filter out the part you think is not necessary, and then you pick that part that is so important and will be so beneficial to us. So thank you for watching this particular sequence series, and this marks the end of the 5 questions. So if you like what I do, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can able to have more access to my YouTube videos. Thank you very much.